Bukod sa pag-alala sa naging pamumuno niya, naging malapit na raw sa Filipino community si Prime Minister Justin Trudeau bago pa mahalal bilang leader ng bansa noong 2015. Paano nga ba nag-umpisa ang malalim na koneksyon niya sa komunidad? Alamin sa report ni Paula Saraza.
He was so young. He was like, tama yung he was a rock star. He had that feel, he had that aura. But most of all, he was a people person.
Liberal leader pa lamang noon si Prime Minister Justin Trudeau nang dumalo siya sa isang Filipino festival sa Toronto. Mahigit isang dekada na ang nakalipas. Ayon sa ilang kababayan, masasabing ito ang naging simula ng malalim na koneksyon ni Trudeau sa komunidad.
I bought his first barong. Tuwan-tuwa naman yung bata at that time. And he didn't even know how to wear it. So I had to tell him, okay, make sure meron kang shirt sa loob na puti and wear black pants, and this is our formal attire in the Philippines.
Hulyo 2013 sa Filipino Making Waves Festival sa downtown Toronto, ang isa sa mga unang beses na hinarap at sinaluhan ni Trudeau ang Filipino community. Suot ang barong Tagalog, mainit siyang tinanggap ng komunidad bilang liberal leader ng bansa at hindi nagtagal bilang Prime Minister.
They were lined up for pictures. All they could I just keep hearing, oh, ang gwapo ng batang yun. Oh, si Trudeau, anak ni Trudeau,
Nagkita muli si Torralba at Trudeau noong 2023 sa Fun Philippines Festival sa Bathurst at Wilson. Bagamat 10 taon na ang lumipas, masasabi niyang hindi nagbago ang pakikitungo ng Prime Minister sa mga Pilipino.
He was amazed. He said, if you could only see what I see on this stage, a sea of people, a sea of Filipinos, of the community. And he took his time to go down after his speech, after doing his welcome remarks. And I think it took him half an hour to, because everybody was just all over him.
Ang ipinamalas na kabaitan ni Trudeau at pagiging bukas sa mga hinaing ng komunidad, ang ilan lamang daw sa mga pag-uugali niyang minahal ng mga Pilipino sa Canada.
He was always respectful of our community, and he lauded our healthcare services, our, from nurses to caregivers and our skilled workers. He opened the doors for them.
Gaya ng ilan sa komunidad, ikinalungkot din ni Torralba ang anunsyong pagbibitiw sa pwesto ni Trudeau. Pero naniniwala siyang isang pagkakataon ito para sa Filipino community na lawakan ang kaalaman sa Canadian politics.
There's still that confusion and lack of knowledge on Canadian voting system. So that's one thing we can work on.
At huwag sayangin ang kakayahang bumoto.
I would expect a leader that we can trust.
Mensahe niya sa Prime Minister.
Thank you for opening the doors to our people and to make Canada our home.
Aminado mang hindi perpekto ang pamamalakad ni Trudeau, umaasa raw ang maraming Pilipino na kung sino man ang susunod na mauupong Prime Minister, maging epektibong leader na bukas pakinggan ang boses ng Filipino community. Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.